Ever see a cool emoji on an iPhone and wish you could use it on your Android? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into how to get those coveted iOS exclusive emojis right on your Android device, making your messages way more expressive. The simplest way to bridge this gap is through third-party apps. Head over to your Google Play Store and search for terms like iOS Emoji or Emoji Changer. You'll find a variety of options. Look for apps that specifically mention iOS emojis or Apple emojis and have good reviews. Once you've found a promising one, tap Install. After the installation is complete, open the app. It will usually guide you through the necessary steps, which often involve enabling the new keyboard within your Android settings. You might need to go into your phone's main settings, then look for System or General Management. From there, find Languages and Input, and then navigate to your on-screen keyboard settings. Here, you'll see an option to manage keyboards or a keyboard. Select your newly installed Emoji app and make sure to grant it the necessary permissions. If prompted, then set it as your default keyboard. Now, whenever you open your keyboard in any messaging app, you'll see a new set of emoji options. You might find a dedicated button or a swipe gesture to switch between your regular Android emojis and the iOS style ones. This allows you to pick from the full range of iOS expressions, from the latest additions to those little nuances that just feel a euro different. So go ahead, experiment with these new emojis and add a whole new dimension to your conversations. Your friends on any platform will be able to see and understand your expressions, no matter what device they're using. And that's how you bring the magic of iOS emojis to your Android. Happy texting.